Hello and welcome back to Ticker Symbol INY YouTube channel. Invest in yourself, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, you beautiful Homo sapiens of planet Earth. Let's get right into this stock market. All right, so an interesting day on the S&P 500. We gapped up early this morning to let's see what the open was exactly, 291.02. Right around there, which was our highest open on this bullish trend. And I drew this line yesterday and we closed right on it. So I'm going to be watching that break. Potentially, maybe tomorrow we'll have like a little inside candle and squeeze up on it, or we'll just continue higher. But for the most part, a lot of the stocks gapped up this morning and just never saw that opening price again. So we've been paying attention to the volume here. And as you could see, people are ready to sell. Look at all this bullish volume. It is so much smaller than the bullish volume coming in. People are ready to hit that sell button, especially right around here. I mean, this is going to be a very tough spot to break. I think we're really going to get a sense of the market direction here soon, whether we really are just going to recover like nothing happened and just brush it off our shoulders real quick, or if we are going to at least come back down and retest this 218. I feel like we're going to get a sense of that here soon. So if we look at this on a little closer time frame, you can see that beautiful gap up. Yesterday we closed around 288, and today we opened at 291. And then just, it would have been a beautiful morning to buy puts. In hindsight, that would have been fantastic play, and it was. Everything in the market today was a retest gap, a bullish candle gapping up. So, I mean, we could have played it that way, could have bought a put as soon as market opened and just played that retest, but I didn't pull the trigger on that. I will learn from it though, and hopefully do that more in the future and trust myself. So now let's look at some other stocks. Let's look at Square. Same kind of deal, gapped up small. See, we had a close here at 63.55 and we opened at 64.17, so it was a small gap, but a gap nonetheless. And yeah, we just absolutely broke down. If we look at the hourly chart, we did make that little higher high there, but it appears to be that we're still in this channel. So I'd be looking to maybe try and snag some shares of Square next at around 56. That'll be my target on that. So playing it bearish until then, unless we see other signs, because this could be the start of some kind of bullish trend. We'll see. But I mean, it is distributing right now, so the market is confused. So I would more or less be biased against the bearish side of this one. So let's see what else we got. We got AMD. They just reported earnings. I was looking forward to this one at least. And they met. I didn't really look too much into it. I just saw they met earnings per share, but I didn't look at anything else. Let's see on the 5-minute. Today, same thing. Opened up, distributed a little bit, then just fell off. And look at that nice drop after hours. Let's see, that was. See where we're at. We're down 3.5% roughly. So, wow. Yeah, this is going to be a bearish retest gap. So I'd be looking to almost play this one bullish mark. We're going to open around 53, unless earnings were absolutely atrocious. I'd have to look more into it, but we could expect all these shorts to be taking some profit, causing the stock to go up a little bit, then roll over again. So I'll be looking to maybe try and snag some shares or some calls at the open. We'll see what the stock's telling me to do, if I could get any bullish signals. But that would be my plan for AMD post earnings. Roku today absolutely got pummeled. Good grief. Let's see what exactly. 7% today, and I traded it. Bullish. Yes, I did. I was playing the retest gap. I was hoping to get a nice solid retest and a bounce, but there was no bounces today. I got in right here, bullish, and also I really got in because it looked good on the hourly. There was a nice kind of bullish little trend going on, and it came down right to there, and that's where I was like, okay, if this trend's going to continue, let me snag some calls up here. Maybe it'll bounce, maybe it won't, who knows. But the good news is I know my risk, and I only lost 1 R, and we move on to the next day. Manage your risk, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you survive. So next we got Google. They had earnings today, and they dominated. So let's see how much they're up right now. Wow. 8.3%. Wow. They are crushing. So let's see what kind of gap this is. This is a gap, bullish gap and go, ladies and gentlemen. We will probably see, and look at all this bearish volume today. All those people are absolutely trapped. And how do these people lock in their profits or lock in their loss? They're going to have to buy the stock back. And tomorrow morning, I can guarantee you they're going to be pissed, upset, frying out. I know I've been there. They're going to be taking that loss as soon as they can so it doesn't get any more. And what's that going to do? Drive the price up higher. That is the theory behind a gap and go. So I am going to really be paying attention to that one tomorrow. This could, let's see, what's it opening at right now? It is at 1332 right now. So that is right around here. So it's trapping all of these guys, all those shorts, and coming up to here. I feel like a good gap and go tomorrow, we could get up to 1365. Trap some more bears. I mean, sky's the limit really if earnings were that good. So wow, that's gonna be one to watch. What else we got? Starbucks, they reported today. Let me erase that. They reported today. I think they missed. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it. Nothing exciting. No gaps to really have an advantage on tomorrow. Nice little indecision candle tomorrow. It looks like it's going to be red. So maybe a little bearish gap and go. Trap the bulls up today. They'll be selling off tomorrow. Small one. So not really that appealing. And then I want to talk about Docu again real quick. We had a pretty solid bearish day from the all-time highs. Roughly 6-7%. So it is perfectly kind of testing this 103 area. So if we're bullish on this right now, this is a good place to be picking up some shares and hopefully get a nice bounce. If we break below there, definitely be picking up some shares around 97. That would be nice. I'm going to be trying to pick up some shares around there. That's what I'm going to be looking for. If not, I'll be trading it bullish off of here. So that is my stock review today. I thank you guys for being here. Would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe, hit that like button. Let me know if you learn anything. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, hit me up. I'm glad to respond, glad to answer any questions, glad to review whatever you guys like. We'll see you in the next one.